Good morning, class. Today we will start the exercise 2.3, exercise 2.3 of linear equation in one variable. Okay, so the first question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now taking variables on one side, I can shift 2x to the left hand side. If I take 2x on the left hand side, it will become 3x minus 2x, that is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x, x is equal to 18. So the value of x is 18. Okay, coming to the second question. Second question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Again, I have to take the variables on one side and the constants on the other side. Now the variable 5t and 3t, if I shift 5t, if I shift 3t to the left hand side, its sign will be changed. So 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5, and if I shift minus 3 to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. So 5t minus 3t is 2t. 2t is equal to minus 2. To get the value of t, I will divide 2 on both the sides. So t will be equal to minus 1. Okay, the third question. Third question is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now again, 5x and 3x are the variables. If I shift 3x to the left hand side, its sign will change. So 5x minus 3x is equal to, if I shift 9 to the right hand side, it will become 5 minus 9. 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to minus 4. Now to get the value of x, I will divide 2 on both the sides. So the value of x will be equal to minus 2. Fourth part, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. I have to find the value of z in this question. Now again, shifting or keeping 4z or 2z on one side and the constant 6 and 3 on the other side. If I take 2z to the left hand side, it will become 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. Now solving 4z minus 2z, that is equal to 2z, equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3. Again, I can take 2 to the denominator. So the value of z will be equal to 3 upon 2. Or I can say that dividing 2 on both the sides, I will get the value of z as 3 by 2. Okay, fifth question. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Again, 2x और x यहाँ पे variables है and 14 and minus 1 are the constant. अगर मैं minus x को left hand side लेके जाती हूँ, it will become plus x. So 2x plus x is equal to 14, and if I shift minus 1 to the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So this is 2x plus x, that is 3x is equal to 15. Now dividing 3 on both the sides, I will get the value of x. So x is equal to 5. Sixth question. Sixth question is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 x minus 1 plus 7. Now first of all, what I will do, I will multiply 3 to the x minus 1. That is, first of all, I will solve the bracket. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Now solving 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7, that is 3x plus 4. Now if I shift 3x to the left hand side, it will become 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 and minus 4. So 8x minus 3x, that is equal to 5x. 5x equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0. Okay, coming to the next question. Seventh question. Seventh question is x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Now I have to find the value of x in this question. Again, first of all, I have to solve the bracket. So x is equal to 4 upon 5 x plus 4 upon 5 into 10. That is equal to, x is equal to 4 upon 5x plus 8. Now taking the variables on one side, if I shift 4.5x to the left hand side, it will become x minus 4x upon 5, that is equal to 8. Now solving it, I have to take the LCM. The LCM will be 5. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 8. X upon 5 will be equal to 8. So the value of x will be, I can cross multiply 5 here. So the value of x will be 5 into 8, that is 40. Okay. The next question, 8th question. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now again, if I shift 7x upon 15 to the left hand side, its sign will change. So 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. Now if I solve the left hand side, I have to take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 15, it is 15. 10x minus 7x, that is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. 10x minus 7x, that is 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. Now what I can do is, I can cross multiply 15 to the right hand side. So 3x will be equal to 15 into 2, that is 30. Now to get the value of x, I can divide 3 on both the sides. So x will be equal to 30 by 3, that is 10. Okay, the next question, 9th question. 9th question is 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Now again, I can take minus y to the left hand side. If I take minus y to the left hand side, it will become plus y. 2y plus y is equal to 26 upon 3. And if I take 5 by 3 to the right hand side, it will become minus 5 by 3. Now 2y plus y, that is 3y. It is equal to 26 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. If I take the LCM, it will be equal to 3. 26 minus 5. So 3y is equal to 21 upon 3. I can cancel it. 3 7s are 21. So I am getting 3y is equal to 7. Now to get the value of y, I can divide 3 on both the sides. So y is equal to 7 upon 3. Okay, the last question of the exercise, 10th question. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Now what I can do is, I can shift 3m to the right hand side and minus 8 by 5 to the left hand side. If I take minus 8 by 5 to the left hand side, it will become plus 8 upon 5, that is equal to 5m minus 3m. So 8 upon 5 is equal to 5m minus 3m, that is equal to 2m. Now I can cross multiply 2 to the denominator. So I will get the value of m as 8 upon 5 into 2. I can cancel 2 and 8. 2 4s are 8. So the value of m is equal to 4 upon 5. M is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay, this was exercise 2.3. We will continue the other exercise in the next class. Okay, thank you all of you.